welcome back. And without wasting a time, let me give you my quick update about what the preparation is going on. So right now, I am analyzing what are the things, what are the mistakes that I have done in the past, and I am seeing my 2023 and 2024. That scorecard that came just after 10 days of the exams, that sheet. I was analyzing it, answer sheet, and I'm seeing that some of the things, like my maths is totally weak, very weak, and my English is like moderate level, and my logical reasoning is very good because I'm good in sitting arrangement and RDI and these things. But I got confused in the things when the LR get connected with the maths. So I got so much confused, so much like I wouldn't be able to that kind of, like, you can say that quantitative reasoning questions. So I wouldn't be able to do that because in that maths also included and reasoning also included. So math is already my week, but I'm working on it this time. And second, in English, I have seen that in 2023 when I was given English, my English was very good, but like I have scored around 85% in English section, something like that. But this time I've scored very low because I have seen that I made a very silly mistakes, like small silly mistakes, in which I wouldn't be able to understand the a paragraph, little word that changed the whole positive paragraph into negative, and then that question arises from that passage, and I think then it's whole positive, then this will also be the positive, and it converts into something else. So that's a disaster. My graduation, I've done my graduation from BA in economics and sociology as a major, and it just completed in 2024. Right now I'm just focusing on the CAT this time, and for the extracurricular activities, my, like, firstly I will tell about my 10th and 12th marks. So my 10th marks is very good, my 12th marks is average, because at a time of 12 there was COVID came and there were no exams at that time. So my result was totally on the basis of like whatever internal and external I have done. So on the basis of that, तो कोविड आ गया था, एग्ज़ाम्स हुए नहीं, एंड राइट नाउ तो मुझे थोड़ा सा डर है 10th-12th का लेकर, बिकॉज इट ऑल्सो टेक्स अ वेटेज, बट इट्स ओके, जो है सो है, व्हाट कैन वी डू नाउ. But yeah, for the skills extracurricular activities, I like, to be very honest, is from the past 2 years I haven't did anything great. I haven't did anything, any internships or anything. Yeah, I have done some of the courses, certificate courses. I try to explore different fields. So I've also done the course of financial accounting, because I want to take the taste of finance. I have taken the course of financial accounting from the NPTEL. I'm also learning French. Yeah, so I think I learned French like right now. If someone asks me how much French do you know, so I can say that I can know the French like intermediate level. So yeah, I know French like intermediate level. Now right now I'm thinking to give it like exams, so that I can take it certificate. So right now I like in maybe May, June, the courses came of that, and there will be exams in August, September. So yeah, मुझे prepare है ही, इतना tension लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो मैं दे दूँगी, so that I can get my certificate for that. और भी कुछ थोड़े बहुत सर्टिफिकेट्स मैंने किए थे, like they were just like temporarily for that. Not much anything I have in my extracurricular activities. And thirdly, about the course for which what I am taking for the preparation. So the course I have taken in 2024, that was Rodha's course. So जो कि मैंने 2024 में लिया था, तो मैंने उसका 6 महीने उससे प्रिपरेशन करी थी, एंड वो मतलब फुल कोर्स था, लाइक बिगनर से लेके पूरा फ्रेंडली तक था। उसके मैंने मॉक टेस्ट भी लिए थे, बट मैंने अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 30 मॉक टेस्ट थे, जिसमें से मैंने उसमें 15 to 16 मॉक टेस्ट दिए थे, सेक्शनल्स एंड वो पूरा मिला, सेक्शनल्स एंड सेक्शनल्स अलग, सेक्शनल्स मैंने ज़्यादा दिए थे, 20 अप्रॉक्स दिए थे, वो मैंने 15 अप्रॉक्स दिए थे। सो लाइक दैट। एंड तो उसके मेरे पास ना अभी भी कुछ वीडियोस रखे, क्योंकि मैंने उनको वीडियोस को रिकॉर्ड कर लिया था, सो दैट रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस आई एम टेकिंग हेल्प ऑफ दैट वीडियोस। तो इस बार मैं उन्हीं, क्योंकि सारी मेरी बेसिक्स और सब कुछ मेरा उसी के थ्रू कवर अप है, तो मैं अभी उसी से ही कर रही हूँ। अदरवाइज आई एम ऑल्सो थिंकिंग ऑफ टेकिंग द टाइम्स मॉक, बिकॉज मैं सोच रही हूँ इस बार मैं टाइम्स का ले लूँ। मेरी मैथ्स बहुत ज़्यादा वीक है, तो मुझे इस बार मैथ्स में डबल ट्रिपल मेहनत करनी होगी। एंड फॉर द लाइक वर्बल एबिलिटी आई need to analyze and I need to sort my silly mistakes. I think I do not have to attempt very much in 2023 VARC section. I have attempted like 10 questions in which 5 are correct and 5 are wrong. So approximately मुझे इतने मार्क्स मिल गए थे कि मेरे 85-88% उसमें आ गए थे। सो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे बहुत सी चीज़ों को एनालाइज हो गया है कि ज़्यादा अटेम्प्ट नहीं करनी है, अटेम्प्ट उतने ही करने हैं जितने आपके एक्यूरेसी हो। मैंने बहुत सी चीज़ें एनालाइज करी हैं, क्योंकि 2024 में मैंने एक LRDI में करके आई, मैं पूरी करके आई, वो मेरी पूरी गलत हो गई। तो मुझे लगा वो गलत कैसे हुई, मैं तो पूरी सही करके आई थी, उसके सारे एक एक पॉइंट्स जो जो कंडीशंस में दी थी वो सब फिट हो रही थी, जो मैंने डायग्राम बनाया था और जो मैंने किया था, बट फिर भी वो गलत हो गया था पूरा। आई डोंट नो हाउ। मैंने उसको एनालाइज किया तो मैंने देखा कि मैंने नंबर गलत ले लिए थे, मैंने assumptions गलत कर लिए थे। So that was also the mistake I have seen. So this time I will try to improve it for LIDI sections, and for that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.